add a new card in Lyft app. So if you want to basically add a new card in the Lyft app, what you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Lyft application, and this is the interface that you will see. Tap on the profile icon from the top left of the screen right there, as you can see right there. So I'll just go ahead and then enter my location first, and then just tap the profile icon. Now once I've tapped on the profile icon, I'm basically going to come to this page. Over here I can see a couple of options, so I can tap on this U icon again from the bottom right. There I can see the option called payment, so I can go to payment. Then I can tap on add payment method right over here, and I can add a credit or debit card, PayPal, or I can also select cash if I want to pay with cash over there. But I can select credit or debit card, and then I'll be able to enter my payment details. This way I can add new card in Lyft app. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.